usually sees that as like biggest stop we could get.
No, Danny forgot the adventure pass.
Well, I've known Julie long enough now to know that when she said 9:45, it really meant somewhere between 9:55 and 10. Yeah. And that was like best case scenario.
Nice landscaping they have. Wow, this is cool.
That's the learning center. You want to check that out?
You want to check the...
Just see, they're locally, but he invited me to like at 11 and we're here at 10. So it's not that brutal yet. After 11, it's going to get worse. Yeah, I heard the problem. I was scared. I was like, oh, I'm so cooked.
Oh, wow, peacock. What's he doing there? Holy crap.
Sounds like a dad.
That's awesome.
Sounded weird. I'm serious. My mom's cat, if I didn't feed him in the morning,
Yeah.
he would make that sound. See, there's a female and a male right there. Isn't that so cool? That's so cool. Sound?
Yeah, sound like a dinosaur.
Yeah.
This is the market area. This is Flamingo Gardens. Place. Wow. I appreciate it. Oh, it looks beautiful here. Nice.
Alright, first stop.
Oh,
So these aren't the ones that.
Wait, can you talk?
I mean, if you train it to.
this is so nice.
Did you see the parrot? Did you see the parrot? I don't need the receipt though.
Keep it on you for now.
Flamingo food.
It wasn't too bad.
But let's do this. Yep. Come on, kids. We're gonna take it slow, guys, because we got a lot to gain out of here. Like, look at this. Look at the landscaping. Look at the gators, the toy gators.
Whoa, that looks scary.
The fake gators.
Look at that.
But it's probably real ones in here somewhere.
Look at that.
Oh, look at this. Wow. Look at the giant spider.
I wish that was real. He's living near his friend.
Yeah.
Spider on the
Oh, it's
road.
actually a real spider? And nah, it's probably a huntsman spider, right? They one of the biggest ones. The tree of life. Right in front of us. Whoa, look at the big tree of life. Wow.
Not bigger from the last one.
Not the all the ones we've seen, but that's by far
One that
like.
we see is like was
Whoa, they got the
wanna go
train station. Which way do we go? I want to go where the loudest animals are.
Okay, I think we should go that.
Where's Ariana? Ariana. All right, then go ahead.
Oh, you missed the water, dude.
What do you call these? Toucan sand?
cat.
Oh, there's a cat behind?
Yeah. He's trying to steal the show.
Toucan
Look
sand.
how thin his tongue is. I love toucans. I see the cat.
Oh, there's another one there.
Oh yeah, that's true. Oh, here.
Where did they found toucan from?
Honestly, I don't know what they're doing.
I want some Fruit Loops.
Oh, it's a
Is
con
that a
here. That's why
Pokemon
it's so
right
loud.
there?
You could have these as pets. you
Really?
know that? There's very, very like attention.
Wow.
But they're so pretty. They look like mangoes.
Oh, look what's in there. The green ones.
I like that sound though.
Parrots. Wow.
It's right here. Whoa. But I think that's flamingo. There was another type. They had a different type of food.
Ooh,
That
he
was
just
for them, but
You took a shit?
Yeah.
Oh. He wants to say hi to me.
yeah, look at the one right there. He's right next to me.
Awesome.
I like that they climb with their feet. Hello. They're talking. I wonder what they're saying.
Bro, they're all fighting. Look at this one right here.
Whoa. Whoa, he's huge. Look at that, Ariana.
This one, you could have these as
Whoa.
pets, by the way. This one right here.
He's huge.
Stretching his
Oh,
wings.
cool.
When you guys get a chance, Ariana, take a picture in front of the beer. Have to do my photo.
Half tree of life. This place is awesome.
Well, it looks like there's a path.
What this pathway go?
Suggestions in this area. As I see.
Looks like allergy central though, so.
Bro, what are these things?
These look like giant walnuts.
Yeah.
Damselfly.
Dragonfly, huh?
Oh, heck no.
What?
No, bro, we have a weird type of stuff. Oh, look!
I see it. Wait, what?
I'm zooming in. Where is it at?
You see the red
Point
cell?
to it.
Go right there.
Point.
Gosh, you should
Oh, I see it.
What are those?
watch it in pictures from the
You should go in front of the tree, not the
Oh,
Yeah, let's
crap.
do a picture. Oh, this is the Panama tree.
The Panama
So we have. Oh, you gotta take
Panama
a picture.
tree. Show it to Grandma. Show it to Grandma. Show it to Grandma. Take a picture and
Maybe the tree is. You can't really see it, so we should go in front of the top of the tree like that.
I'm the bamboo mondo. Yes. Sahara Desert out here. Let's make it like muggy a little bit. I didn't see that. Ooh. Ow. They're like mosquitoes and stuff. Oh, hummingbird.
The one that I wanted to get as a
Oh.
pet.
Oh. Interesting. We're on the animal hunt today. Oh. They don't look too friendly.
We have a spider. We have a spider.
I am the spider.
Let's go.
Like a jungle. It is monkey. It's like, oh, that scared the shit out of me. What was that? Who threw that at me? Is it monkeys up there too? Hey, something threw that at us. You hear the trees? What the heck? Kids, come on. Kids.
Kids, come on.
What is in a tree? It threw something at it. It threw a nut. Something's in that tree. I am the only bird. And what's back there?
Wildlife corridor.
Mason?
Oh, that's pretty.
Oh, that's
That would be
nice.
a cool like spot.
See? It's like a camping spot. The nest. Amazing.
Oh, look at the butterfly. We know, we gotta go.
Who, me?
Yeah, you.
We still try.
Kill the dog. You hear that?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, this guy just got a worm.
From random iris. Whoa. Random peacock. They're like trolling. Look at a giant spider. Hey. Whoa. He's 8 foot tall.
Oh my god, is that a pretty?
It's orange.
Oh, you hear that sound?
Giant orange.
Oh, you know what size you are?
Live.
Not you, bro.
Iris. He's following us everywhere. Wow. Flamingo Pond. All right, let's go around to the other side. Mhm.
What type of peacock
Oh,
is
my.
that? Is it albino peacock, bro? Wait,
Oh, I see an iguana in there too.
Iguana?
Yeah, he's right in front of us. He's inside with the birds. He lives in there
I'm gonna
too.
throw this. Ready? Y'all better back away from me. Look at those flamingos. Oh, there's a baby duck. What is the duck doing? Look at that peacock.
What's that?
I'm gonna throw it over there. Oh, okay, that's all.
Hey, my best friend.
Guys, let's go over here. Daddy, let's go over here. Daddy. I want to feed the flamingos. Can I have one? Go on.
Vai lá, vovó. Vai lá, mamãe lá. Vai lá, mamãe.
Hey, guys, get over here, over here. Get closer, here. Or we can feed them.
Pronto, vai, dá aí pro Flamingo aí.
Wait, let me get this.